had a customer drop in a Garmin Vivosmart watch. This particular one had the wristband being the HR Imperial purple colour. Typically it'd be straightforward to find a new band for it, but he came in with one that he already purchased and turned out it didn't fit. But I have discovered that this small little purple bit was the reason why it wouldn't fit. Turns out it's actually removable on this model, which I'll quickly just show you once I finish taking off the replacement band. Here we've got the band off it, and as you can see, this little purple bit here can clip over. Clicks into place and held there, and from there the original band can be connected. Where if I try the aftermarket band, it will not fit onto this style of connection, which there's no chance in hell. But if I remove the add-on piece, the replacement band fits on perfectly. So hopefully this little tip helps you with yours, and hopefully avoid some possible confusion with it. Catch you later.